There are a few ways to export data. If you want to see a raw data of this point, for example, you would click on it, wait on this little bar to pop up, click on View Data, then Full Data, then Show All Column, and Download All Rows. Now this might not always work for everything. For example, if you click on that grand total 597, nothing is popping up. You can still download the raw data by clicking on Download, Data, and same thing, Full Data, Show All Column, Download All Rows. You will then have an Excel file. Another way to export data, for example, if you like a full table, you can click anywhere on a table, go to Download, cross tab, Download, and then the same table will be downloaded on an Excel file, just like that.